Hello students, today we will learn the science and technology part first from the standard ninth. So it is very important topic we are learning. So in our last period we had started the chapter laws of motion, and in the same chapter we will now study the new concept, that is speed and velocity. So these are the concept, and if you see, we will find that actually these are the same, but these are different concepts. So we will study these. First of all, see here, that is the speed means the total distance traveled in given time or in time required. For example, if there is any vehicle, for example any motorcycle, if one motorcycle travels the distance from point A to point suppose B, and it required the distance between these 2 points if 60 kilometer, and if it required 1 hour of time, then you can say that it is the speed. And if you consider about the velocity, velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. So these are the two concepts. But here, first of all, I want to tell you that, I want to ask you one question, that what is the meaning of vectors and scalars? So you know well that vectors and scalar, if any physical quantity, it doesn't require the direction. At that time we can say that this is the scalar quantity, and if the direction is required, then you can say that it is the vector quantity. So the same thing is that if there is speed, so this speed need not have the any, you can say, the direction. But in case of velocity, the direction is very important. So we can say that velocity is the different from speed. If so, the say, for example, if there is a speed, and if you think about the same direction, there is no any change in direction, then we can say that it is the velocity. So actually now we will study that you can get any concept. We will study about one more example. For example, this is the point A and this is the point B, and on this you can say that if a vehicle is traveling on this path, so you can say that in between these 2 points, when it travels, so it covers the distance 60 kilometers, and time required for that is 1 hour, then it is called as the speed. But what is the velocity? So again, if there is point A and it is point B, so here the direction is same, no any change in the direction, so you can say that it is nothing but the velocity. Okay, so this is the velocity, and velocity is also displacement upon time. It means that, what is the meaning of displacement? So the position of vehicle from first point to the second point, so it is called as the displacement. Okay, so it is the minimum distance between the starting point and the finishing point, it is called as the displacement. So velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. The units of speed and velocity we will study. The units of speed and velocity is same. There is no any change between the unit of speed and unit of velocity. Both the units are same. So in case of SI system, you know that there are two different types. So SI system and CGS system. So in SI system, it is meter per second, and in case of CGS system, it is centimeter per second. So if you study relatively of these two different systems, so here meter is the unit, and its CGS system meter is also considered with centimeters. So here centimeter per second. So I will tell you that speed and distance. So it is the relationship between speed and distance is the relationship, and relation of velocity is related to the displacement. Here we have learned that if there is no any displacement, velocity cannot be takes place, because displacement need the direction, velocity need the direction. So velocity is related to displacement and speed is related to the distance. So now student, we will see that now the next more topic or concept of this same chapter, that is effect of speed and direction on velocity. Suppose here a vehicle is traveling from point A to point B. So what is the effect of on velocity takes place of the speed of vehicle and direction of vehicle? Suppose a vehicle is started is traveling from point A and it reaches at point B, but in between these 2 points there is no change in speed and no change in direction. So here speed is same also and direction is same also. Then what will happen? So changing the speed while keeping the direction same also it takes place. So this is the first situation. You can say that velocity of the motorcycle, if its speed increases or decreases but its direction remains unchanged. So in this case, if we get the same, suppose this vehicle is going along this path is say with same speed and same, you can say, the direction. So there is no any change will be takes place on velocity. But if the direction is same but speed increases or decreases, so from frequently if the speed is increases and after some if it is decreases in speed, then definitely the decreasing and increasing speed will affect the velocity whether its direction is same. So this is the first effect of speed on the velocity, you can say. Now in the second condition we will study that, suppose this is also the point A and also the point B. So in between this path the same vehicle is traveling, then what will happen? Suppose in this case what will happen, the road is turning, suppose turning on road, then what will happen? Velocity and same so for example, if turns are there, definitely the direction of the vehicle will be changed. So if you can say that speed is same here but the direction is changed, direction is changing, then what will happen? If direction is changing, it will also affect the velocity of the vehicle. This is the second condition. Now we will study the third condition. So third condition is that the direction as well as speed of the motorcycle changes. So suppose If this is the point A and this is the point B, so vehicle is traveling on the road so many times. So many times there is direction is changing, and also you can say the speed changed of this vehicle and direction change. So in the both case velocity will also be changed. So these are three different effects of speed and direction. Collectively, I will explain once again that if the speed is increasing or decreasing but the direction is same, then it also affect on the velocity. If the direction of speed is direction of the vehicle is changing but speed is same, then what will happen? Then also it affect on the velocity. And in the third case, if both the concept, that is speed as well as direction, both are changing, then it will also affect on the velocity. Now the first scientist to measure speed as the distance upon time was Galileo. So Galileo was the scientist discovered the measurement of this speed. The speed of sound in the dry air you can say, dry air, and this it is 343.2 meter per second, while the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, and the speed of revolution of the earth around the sun is about 29,770 meter per second. This is the speed of earth. You know that suppose this is the sun and our earth revolve around the sun, then what is the speed of the earth revolving around the sun? It is 29,770 meter per second. So in our next video we will learn the next concept. Read it carefully. Okay.